Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
Guys, and we are back, and we're in this 2017 Infiniti QX70, and we got 182,020 miles on the clock, and we just done our pre-scan. So basically, customer wants us to replace spark plugs and wants us to look at the front and rear brakes, as well as a transmission shifting issue. And we do have a past fault for second gear incorrect, some ABS codes, CAN communication, tire pressure. So I'm not going to record much of this one, guys. Not feeling too well, so I want to hurry and get this job done and get back home. So I'll film what I can. Okay, so on this one we have two air filters. Pops right up. Both of them need to be replaced, so I'll be recommending that. We're gonna go ahead and take the engine cover off. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 mil bolts. You're gonna have to move your air duct, so you want to take this piece off, a couple clamps here, clamp here, then ultimately you're gonna have to take your throttle body off. So we'll show you that when we get to that. Okay, so we got this piece out of the way, and then you want to unplug your throttle body. Then you got 4 fasteners here. Take your throttle body off, and then you can get to your 2 plugs in the back. So we got a T30 here, just to break them loose. I need a shorter extension on that one. You guys get the idea. Once it's off, just move it to the side. Now you have access to all 3 plugs. Now there is a gasket on here. This one looks really good, so we're not going to worry about replacing it. So we're going to go ahead and knock those out, and it's the same as you do all the other spark plug jobs that you've seen me do. Again, not feeling too well, so I'm kind of in a rush to do this, so we're gonna go ahead and probably not record this, so stand by. Okay, so we want to notate we got oil in our coil here. It's our driver's side rear, so let's keep going. Man, guys, these are bad. A lot of oil. So the only one that wasn't too bad was the middle one. The front and rear driver's side is really bad with oil. Okay, guys, so same thing on this side. Take your hose off, and here, because it was harder to reach underneath and get that clamp, I just took a 10 mil bolt off here and did the hose, and we're good to go. Same thing, 4 bolts, T30, pull it off, and you have access to your plugs.
Alright guys, so we ended up not recording any more of the repair, but basically we did the passenger side. It was not nearly as bad as the driver's side for the valve cover gaskets and spark plug tube gaskets. So we finished up that, and then we moved on. We checked the brakes. Front pads were good, but the front rotors were pretty bad, and the rear brakes, pads and rotors were bad. We were getting a grinding noise coming from the back. And we checked the transmission issue that the customer stated they had. We didn't feel any shifting issues. The transmission seemed to shift pretty good, actually. Took it for a 5-mile run, and it was pretty good to go. So we notified the customer of our findings. They wanted a quote for the valve cover gaskets. So we quoted for valve cover gaskets, and I recommended we do both because I'm going to have to take the intake manifold off to do one side. So might as well get that other side. It's not very much more in labor anyway to do the other side. So we quoted for that, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get the job. But there you have it, guys. There is how you do your spark plugs in a 2017 Infiniti Q90. Q70? I think it's a Q70. Q90. So anyway, guys, there it is. That is how you do your spark plugs. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, I would appreciate if you go down there in that comment section, leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to go ahead and hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.